Hello, everyone. I'm Chef Troy from Classy Bastards Catering, and I'm here today to make your life easier with some of my plant hacks. Uh, I'm just doodling around, let y'all see what I be doing sometime in my pastimes. I like to grow plants. My mother always had me around plants when I was younger, so growing plants has come easy to me. This right here is one I just made this geranium. Got shells in the bottom of it. Yeah, so there's some of my work right here. So I got this new one right here. I want to maybe possibly put one of these plants in here, but I got to see if I can get my hand in here to put it all the way down in here. I didn't think about that when I bought it, so I'm going to have to try to figure out what I'm going to do. But until then, I'm going to take these right here and just turn them into individual trees and then plant them. So just bear with me. I'm just messing. I'd like to send a shout out to all my subscribers out there. My channel would be nothing without you. See, I'll make sure I can see a little more. Okay. Look at this beauty right here. So I'm going to attempt to bust these loose at the root and individually plant these in different stuff. Just messing. Try not to damage nothing. Okay. Keep the root bed straight. How y'all doing today? What y'all doing in life? What y'all got going on in life, YouTube? Put it in the comment below. What you got going on in life? Yeah, I like we're dealing with plants. It give me a peace and a calm that that money can't buy. Okay, little root bed. And make sure I keep these roots intact. So I want to plant these. I'm gonna put this in an individual bed, okay? Because I want this one plant to go in here. I got more dirt. Yeah, planting comes easy to me. I like planting. I didn't really care about it when I was young, and my mama was like doing it and loving it and having me around it and got me hauling her plants around and watering and all that stuff. So I didn't really care about it when I was young. But now I got older. It just feels good messing with plants. And I got like 30 plants. My main plants are bonsais. I like to do bonsai trees. I got a 87-year-old bonsai mentor that keep me up on my bonsais and how to grow them and all that stuff right there. So what I'm doing is just taking it individual, all these with all together. So I'm all breaking them loose, and I'm gonna plant this individual plant right here. got this great soil that'll make anything grow. Pat this down in here. Yeah, I love messing with plants. It gives me a calm. Now see why my mother loved it so much, and she basically instilled it in me unconsciously, and now I love it. Yeah, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to figure out how to get the rest of that plant down inside that thing to make that little geranium. Okay, got this right here. I'm gonna wet it down after I get it packed good. Want to make sure it grows straight. So I'm making sure I pack it down good. And then if I want this plant right here to get a little bigger or whatever, I'll put it in a bigger thing. If I don't, I just keep it in something like this and it'll just dwarf up. Okay. Got a little bit of water here. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see a little more of this right here. This right here. I love this one right here. I just planted this one last week in my geranium. Look how beautiful it is. And all that's gonna go straight up. So y'all stay tuned and say y'all saw this right here when it was first was done, because it's gonna eventually grow up all the way through this. Yeah, I'm starting to branch out. I really just like to plant and grow flowers, but I'm starting to like the geraniums and making a little world with my plants. Okay, put a little bit of water in this. Yeah, I got over. I think I got like 29 plants. Got 6 or 7 different bonsai. I was just gonna grow bonsais, but there's so many species of beautiful plants out there. I had to grow some other things. Okay, so I broke all these individuals up. These was all right here. They were all together, all of these, and I just want this one little flower to be in here, and I'll let this grow up for a little bit and get big, and then I will transfer it to a bigger one, and if I don't, I'll just leave it in there. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I don't want to fill this all the way up with dirt. I want the plant to grow up through this and come out the top. So okay, we'll see what I can do. So here, got the plants right here. Want to make sure I don't damage the root ball. I'm gonna leave this right here. What do I got? I got anything with the plant? I'm gonna try it. Let's try it and see what happens. I want you to do 4 things. I want you to like, I want you to subscribe. I want you to comment. And I want you to hit the bell icon. So when Classic Bastards Catering upload, you can get every video and stay up with Classic Bastards Catering and everything that I do. Now, if you're a real subscriber of me, you know I do a little bit of everything. I cook, I make wine. Y'all know I'm on the barbecue cooking team. I make my own barbecue sauces. I grow my own vegetables. I try to get into that self-sufficient lifestyle, and I haven't always been like that. And just like since I got older now, it's just doing this stuff that I kind of missed out in life on, because I kind of wasted a lot of years playing around in the streets. And once I finally got my head screwed on right, I just opened up and started to blossom about stuff that I wanted to do in life. And stuff like this right here, planting and growing stuff, just comes easy to me, and I like doing it. Okay, let's see if I can get this down in here. Let me put a little spot in there. Put a little spot in here. Put these little root beds in here. I don't know what they're gonna do. I don't know what they is, but I'm gonna put these in here too. Good. Let's see if I can do this without damaging anything. Come on, Troy. Get it together. I need a stick or something. Let me get it. Get it in there. Then I'm gonna lift it up. Come on, baby. You have to finesse it. I'm gonna have to finesse it. Ooh. Try to get some dirt around it, and then get it to stick up. There you go. Damn. Come on, baby. Let's try it again. Thank you for watching my video. Chef Troy. Okay. I'm gonna have to put something to make it stand up. Damn it. Look at this stick. Someone gonna get me. See if we can work this now. Get the bed root stuck in there. Get it stuck in the ground. And get it covered. Yeah, I don't think I got it now. I think I got it now. Get enough dirt around it. Put the stick in there and prop it up. See. Okay, where my stick at? Okay. Okay, there you go. You're working with some. I'm getting it to where I want it. Okay. Okay. Put a little more dirt in here. Get that dirt packed around that hole. Okay, get that whole dirt in that hole. I need to be able to get my hand in here. I'm gonna have to. My big hands. I don't get it. Okay. Put some dirt out to the outside. Okay. Trying to work some. Okay. Put a little bit of water in here. Wet it down. Go on this side of it because I want to. Right there. Okay. I got it, so I'm gonna finesse it. I got it now. Okay. Gonna put some more dirt in here. I really didn't want to go this high with the dirt, but since I can't get my hands in there, I had to get it to a decent enough level so I can get it where I can get the reach it. So that's what it was. So it's just gonna be an individual plant in here. Okay. Press it down. Get it even. Make sure you got plenty of dirt around it. So this is what I do. I got it already sitting up straight, and I let that root catch in this soil, and then I will press it down. Put a little more water on it. Miss Key, okay. I'm gonna turn away. Okay, let's see the individual plant. Dirt on the top of it. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more water in here. So it can catch. Thank y'all for being patient with me. I worked through my little problems. And I'm gonna take this buddy right here and put it in the window. Okay. Okay, I'm still concealed. Okay, there you go. So the sticking there is just to keep it straight until it get to that root catch. And I'll throw this in the window. Yep. Yep. So thank you for watching my video. Chef Troy, doing one of my hobbies I love, planting and growing stuff. I got my geranium. I put my single individual plant in there. I'll let y'all see this as it grows. And this right here is the one that I planted last week. I'll come back to y'all and let y'all see these as these grow up. But thank you for watching my video. Chef Troy, doing what I love. Get out and find you a hobby to do. I'm telling you, it's just mind-blowing how this make you feel, just growing plants and putting stuff together and creating stuff. Thank you for watching my video. Chef Troy, started my geraniums. Let you see the hobbies that I do, planting and stuff that I love. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned. Chef Troy in the upstate, and I'm out.